Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to edit audio files. To edit an audio file, you can create a new file, open an existing file, or connect multiple existing files. You can edit the audio file with the basic editing operations: copy, paste, cut, paste, delete, crop, and insert silence. And you can use mix paste to do mixing, paste from an existing file, and set loop count of pasting. To avoid artifacts at the editing boundary, you can turn on the smooth options and set the smooth length in the audio data preference page. To create loops by repeating paste operation, you can turn on the option that collapses selection after paste. With commands in the Tools menu, you can generate audio to replace or mix with existing audio, adjust the volume, remove noise, stretch and shift pitch, repair with Interpolate tool, and do other processing. And you can also use these commands with the Process toolbar. With the commands in the Effects menu, you can apply a single effect to selected audio. In addition, if you turn off the option of closing the effect window after applying, you can apply the effect multiple times. With the FX Rack panel, you can apply multiple effects. And you can set the option to keep the effects in the rack to apply multiple times. When you apply a processing command, you can repeat the command. When a channel is disabled, the editing operation will not apply to the channel. And you can select a frequency range to process only the audio within the frequency range. To convert the audio file to a new sample format, choose Convert Sample Type. To change the sample rate without modifying the audio data, choose Change Sample Rate. To compare audio files, you can synchronize view and selection across audio files. Some keyboard shortcuts to edit audio files: copy, paste, cut, paste, delete, crop, mix paste, copy to new, paste to new, repeat the last command, repeat the last command directly, toggle left channel, Toggle right channel. Toggle all channels. Convert sample type. Synchronize view and selection across audio files. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.